Have you ever tried water bake before? I'm sharing one with you today. Just with few ingredients, you are good to go. It tastes so good, and I'm sure you are going to love it. Hello, creative bangers. It's another banger. All right, let's begin. We'll start by adding flour in a sieve, baking powder, and salt. Go ahead and sift. Always sift your flour before making use of it. Very important. Now I added sugar and cooking oil. Use any cooking oil of your choice. Go ahead and start mixing. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. All right, after mixing, you are going to start by adding water bit by bit. I will advise you add your water bit by bit because sometimes some flour can misbehave. Another thing that I observe is that sometimes some flour take more water than the other. So please add your water bit by bit. Although I am going to leave the measurement at the description box, also at the comment section. Please check it out, okay? Now I'm going to transfer the dough to the work surface. Please take your time and knead properly. Very important. You are going to knead till you form a very, very smooth dough, just like what you are looking at. Okay. We are going to transfer back into the mixing bowl, cover and allow to rest for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, voila, look at that. It is time to take it to another level. Okay, I don't know what happened here. I didn't know that my camera wasn't recording. So what happened here is that I went ahead and portioned to the number of bakes that I'm going to fry. Okay, that's all. I didn't add any other thing. Nothing else happened. Just go ahead and portion the dough. Shout out to you, Blaise, watching from Lagos, Nigeria. Dorothy from Ghana. Doris watching from South Africa. And Felicia all the way from Ghana. Whoops. Oh, I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well, okay? All right, after forming a ball with the dough, the next thing is to start working on it one after the other. Go ahead and roll into a very, very flat dough. Then make a slight cut as demonstrated. Go ahead and fry. All right, very simple and easy. Repeat the same process of rolling with the other balls. Go ahead and deep fry. If you watch upon this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means they're enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Thank you so much. Okay, after dropping into the hot oil, please don't leave this to go and check your social media update, okay? By the time you return, they will fry themselves. Okay, flip it around from time to time. Fry according to your preference. This does not take time to fry. This gets ready within a minute 30 seconds or even within a minute. Okay, take it off the heat once it is ready, and that is basically all for this simple recipe. Look at that. Very simple and easy. Will you be trying this? Let me know at the comment section. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. Is it crunchy? I know you know already that I love it crunchy. Very yummy. I hope you find this video helpful. Remember, homemade is better than junk. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.